Yo, what's up? It's that time again. It's time for some coding on MagicCraft. So I'm probably not going to do Minecraft coding today. It's going to be Ember, and this time I'm going to be doing interaction with the database, which is something that I've actually been avoiding. I was like, man, why is it taking me so long to get the saving the spells done? And it's because when I looked at it, I'm afraid of corrupting the database or the data that's in the database. And I've been trying to get like a local copy of the database to operate on, but exporting and importing the data has been a problem. And I think it's because of the formatting of the strings in there. There's a lot of string data. And when it gets converted into a SQL statement to hydrate a backup database, for some reason it chokes on the import, but I'm just gonna go for it. I don't often test, but when I do, it's on the production system. Let me see if I can get this thing to work. We're listening to Silk Music, Shingo Nakamura. Most important part of programming is to have a good soundtrack, and progressive house music is the best. Lyric lists. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Let me get my VS Code up. Probably need two different windows for this because I got two different projects that are involved, the server side and the client side. Let's get the client side up. So VS Code, where are you? Windows Server, Stats Menu, OBS. Okay, we'll go with this one. Yeah, and where is it? Somewhere. Here we go. Okay, we'll open the Play App Ember one first. Here we go. It's actually up. So, go to my VS Code, double click on that mofo, and change to Play App Ember. Alright. Let's put this over here. Let me pop up another Twitch window over here so I can keep an eye on people coming in to check it out. Twitch TV. Channel. How's the stream feed going? Yep. About 2 megabits per second. It's working. Inception. Stop. Good. Good. Okay. It's happening. We're doing this. Okay. Oh, that thing's still running. Wow. It's been running Ember Serve for the last week because I haven't touched this code since last Sunday. I'm currently working on a book. I got a couple of books on the go at the moment. I'm still working on Learn to Program. I got another chapter of that coming out. Learn to Program. How your child can change the world and become a millionaire, or at least survive the robot apocalypse and get a job. And then I'm working on this other book here, which is Zeebe. Josh Wulf. That's where the draft is being published. So I'm also working on this book, which is the Zeebe Node.js client guide. It's coming along nicely. Want to have this one finished in the next couple of weeks. So been doing a bunch of work on this, and this is pretty cool because I've written a bunch of books in my time, in my career, about different software projects, different libraries, products. This is the first time that I've written like a technical book about software that I've written, which has been really great. And then once I'm finished this one, I'll do the same thing for MagicCraft. Okay, but let's get back to the main feature for today, which is right here, right now. I've got IntelliJ open in the background, some Java coding that I was doing. I'll close that down to give myself a bit of extra memory. This thing is still building with Babel. Let's close down a bunch of things actually that we don't need. I think I got 32 gigs of RAM in this machine. It's pretty killer. It's a 2019 MacBook 15-inch. Got it just before that new 16-inch one came out. Anyways, a lot of CPU getting chewed up here. iTerm 2 is using up 349%. Oh, okay, that's my OBS stream connector. So I have a node project that I wrote to control my Stream Deck, but it looks like it uses too much CPU.